Hi everyone, this is Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we are going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here that we had a symmetrical triangle and the downside was broken. Also the level of 1.1517 was broken as well. This was a very strong support level. Now it turned into a resistance level that we can see here. The expected scenario is that the price might continue going up to reach the level of 1.1517, and then if it shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short targeting the level of 1.1315 during this week. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 1.1517. Now let's move to the GBPUSD on the daily time frame as well. As you can see here that we had a downward channel and the downside of this channel was broken at this point, and now it is traded right below it. Now the price is traded, as you can see, at this point that it's very close to the downside, the broken downside. This simply means that we might find some bearish evidence. In case this happens, then we can go short targeting the level of 1.26, 1.2555 during this week. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 1.2875. Now let's move to the gold on the 4 hours time frame. As you can see here that we have a downtrend line and we have a strong resistance level that is 1200. In case the price goes up to reach those two levels, and in case it shows up some bearish evidence, then we can go short targeting the level of 1177, then 1164 during this week. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below those two levels, the downtrend line and the level of 1200. Okay, let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the 4 hours time frame. As you can see here that the pair was traded between two strong levels, 0.7456, 0.7311. This was a very tight range and the price managed to break through the downside and went down too much. Then it went back again to be traded above the downside, 0.7311 again. So this simply means that the price might continue going up. But actually we need a confirmation. This could be maybe a breakout with a daily close above the level of 0.7311. So this would confirm that the price might continue going up to reach at least 0.74 during this week. Finally, with the GBPJPY on the daily time frame, as you can see here that the price is traded above the downside of this downward channel, as you can see here. So we need actually to find some bullish evidence so we can go long targeting the level of 143.76 and 144. So this is conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 140, and actually this is a scenario, a positive one, and we can actually go short if the price shows up some bullish evidence above those two levels, the downside of the channel and the level of 140. I hope this helps and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.